Want to experience a cuisine and relaxing place?
Need some beach therapy?
Keep calm and beach hard. What's up mga sarap-sarap?
This is Yen.
And this is Jelan and welcome to Modala Beach Resort!
Heading to our cabanas. It's part of the amenities of Tumoy Leisure Village.
So, heading na tayo sa Tumoy, sir, ha?
Oh, heading to Tumoy. Wow, grabe. Sarap maligo. Maligo ka na.
Dito natin din kasi hindi tayo makadaanan.
So, ito yung kayak natin at saka yung ano. Pwede kayo dito mag-kayak or mag-stand-up paddle later on.
So we're now here in Tumoy Leisure Village, mga sarap-sarap. So look at the view. Wow!
Yay!
So yun mga sarap-sarap, we're now here inside the room and of course, we will tour you around para naman makita nyo kung ano ang mga nandito sa room. So of course, upon entering, so you can see this many closet and then yes, I will show you this one. So they have this safety vault. And then, meron siyang maraming mga lalagyan dito. So, if you have a lot of things, so you can put it here. And of course, they have hair dryer. So, it's for free. You can use it. Then, other side naman is they have this hangiranan. Then, you can use this bathrobe. There have two. And, sorry, we already have our things there. And then, in front of this mini closet, you can find this big door. This is big, so of course, we will think that this comfort room is big. So let's see. Ta-da! So this is their comfort room. So look how big it is. So, ang pinakagandahan naman dyan is they have this. Well, it's very, very nice. And look at the detail here. It's really nice and elegant. Then, they have this sink. Oh my gosh, look at the mirror. So it's very, very nice. So when you look at the mirror, you can say that you are beautiful. And why? Because the light here is really, really nice. It makes you more beautiful, right? And they have this little or cute, how do we say that word?
Pin light.
Then they have this complimentary kit. So they have sanitary bag, dental kit, and so on. And aside from that one, so look at the shower room. It's really, really nice, and it's quite big. So let's open this one. So when you open, of course, obviously you can see the inside of this shower room. So you have a shower gel, conditioner, and shampoo, and of course your soap. So it's really, really nice. And of course, their toilet bowl, as you can see, it's really, really nice. So, let's go outside and I will show you the bed. Okay, so from that door, you can see this big mirror here. So, pwede na ka mo namin ari kung makita niyo para nice ka tanaw. So, yung naranasin siya. So now, on this side, as you can see, there is the big flat screen TV. Wow. So, oh, that's me. So you can browse on YouTube, Netflix, and so on. Yeah, so that's me. And they have this side table with a complimentary water. So it's very cute and unique. And of course, the very nice thing there is there are two big beds here inside this room. And it's very, very beautiful and comfy. Look how comfy it is. And of course, there is still a side table here, so you can put your things here, and there's a lampshade and over there also. So the decoration and everything here inside the room is very elegant, and I do love the design here. There is a small terrace in this room, but I can show you right now because it's quite dark outside. So tomorrow morning I will show you the beauty of Modala Beach Resort. So it's almost 6:30 na mga sunog sana. So banami ato sa ubos ka mag-dinner by the beach me. Wow! So na namin sa ground floor mga sunog sana, and look at that beautiful setup for our dinner by the beach. So romantic and amazing. So mga to guys, kanang promote ka jugon dya kay and dinner by the beach na fine dining si dya. So ako ga expect first time jud ton morg inaingay bitaw morg pinadato style bitaw sa amo jud bukid kay kinamot na ba dya. So mo to ganda katawanan kay wow may kay baw para sa kung sa gamiton natong pan dya. So nagko na mitan main course. Amang ko na is kanang beef, then ay kanang shrimp. Worth it kaadyo, lami jud kaadyo. Then the ambience is really good. Then napad siya mo kanang background music mga salusan na kung bored mo ana, then you want to escape from the stress kanang maingana bitaw. How do you recommend nga place nga mag-date po sa mong special someone, like for example kita kanang mga minjo ana busy na ka sa trabaho, busy sa mga anak, or unsa pagi ka bisihan ana or stress na ka, pag-relax day daw na mo ari kalami ilang food and super relaxing, just worth it kaadyo.
Gusto mo aking mata, di mo ba nakikita? Ako ngayon lumilipad at nasa langit na. Gusto mo ba sumama?
So it's time to sleep mga sunog-suna, and see you tomorrow for our adventures here in Modala Beach Resort. Have a good night!
6 hours later.
Adyo punta!
Good morning mga sanag-sana. So, it's adventure time.
Now we're ready para maligo or mag-adventure sa beach. Yes, so samahan nyo kami and hopefully maka kami ng sunrise. Yes, so we are too early for the adventure. Let's go! So then kami sa second floor and look at the beauty of their swimming pool. Yeah, what may gakuan nga nag-uwan day gabi eh. So wa mi nakabantay, nakamatikod nga gauwan siya. And then, look at the beautiful view. Wow! Uy, murag na as a sunrise. So let's check it out. So kanang wow, it's beautiful.
Wow.
Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Look at that. So last night di ay mga salusan na. So mo ni si Ja katong ay nag dinner by the beach ni. So look at the view. Yeah, so it's really beautiful in here. Super relaxing. Wow. Amazing. Yes, so nanami sa beach mga salugsana, and while waiting sa personal nga mag-assist na mo para sa kayak, so ahas ang ipakita ninyo ang view sa Modala Beach Resort. So look at that beautiful ocean. So clear kaado si dya and very clean. And then there is a beautiful sunrise over there. So look at that view. Wow! So, karon mga silig nata sa pool area, and this view is just in front of the beach. So, if you will swim here, then makita niyo mo ang beautiful beach there. So, later on, ang may pakita ninyo, mga ligo na mi. So, it's a really, really big. Yeah. And then, daghan sa kanang mga tambayan ani. So, it's very beautiful. Tapos na kami mag-swimming dun sa swimming pool. So, ang next activity namin is magkaya kami. So, double yung pinili namin kasi hindi ako marunong pag mag-single lang. So, this is my first time na magkayak. And then, before you will do this activity, so please do sign a waiver first for safety purposes. And of course, you need to wear this life vest. So, let's go. And samahan nyo kaming magkayak. Unsa man eh, nagkayak lagi ko or nagsakay-sakay? So, jet ski at
So, ari guys, pwede po mag-jet ski dire.
that is their beach resort. Then that one, atong part na mo na sa mall. So, mo na siya mo adto strip. So, it's very convenient for you if you stay here in Modala Beach Resort because there is a mall na yung mga restaurants ito, na yung mga pwede ka palitan na ito. So, you don't need to go somewhere or far from that beach resort because they all have that one.
Tara, buksay. Lalo.
So, we're done kayaking. So, magkuha na kami sa mga next activity. Wow, dyan yung pinaka challenge na karon tayo.
Maka-balancing.
Wadyo ko yung idea kung mag-unsa ko ani. How to do this? Magas ako.
Kana imong tail higot ana unsa. Siya. Oh, just in case na lang makabuhi, dili ka malayo. So, ready na ba ka? Good luck.
Tapos na kaming mag-kayak and the paddle board. So, it was a great experience of mine kasi you really need to balance para hindi ka matumba. Pero natumba ako kanina kasi binubuli ko si Jelan. So, yun, kinaharma ako. Yeah, so it was really great. And yeah, if you come here sa Modala Beach Resort, so don't forget to try these activities here kasi sobrang nakaka-enjoy siya. And ang pinaka-the best part dyan is malinaw yung tubig. Sobrang linaw niya and super clean talaga siya. Good morning, Wazig Sanay. So, breakfast is ready. So, you have two options. It's either you can eat downstairs or in your room. So, they can deliver it to you para sa room na ka mag-breakfast. And for the food, you can choose your breakfast. So, there are choices there in their menu. Upon checking in, let's eat! Nandito tayo ngayon sa 4th floor kung saan makikita mo ang roof deck, and dito din sa roof deck ginagawa nila yung yoga. So if you love doing yoga, so you can try it here in Modala Beach Resort. And also if you want to work out, of course, so they have this mini gym. So it's very nice because ocean view talaga siya and napaka-relaxing siya. If you happen to visit Modala Beach Resort, so try to relax here in their roof deck. And that's all for today mga Salisanas. So we hope na nag-enjoy kayo sa video namin. And reminder lang po, upon checking in sa Modala Beach Resort, so don't forget to scan the QR code for contact tracing, and also for your breakfast like that. Yeah, so thank you so much Modala Beach Resort for having us.
Yes, thank you so much.
And also, please follow and subscribe our other social media accounts, Ian and Jelan Vlogs. Yes, and thank you so much for watching. And that's all for today. Bye!